Do you ever feel like you're carrying your whole family on your back and there's no room, not even for a single mistake? Listen, stick with me here for a couple minutes and I'll explain why you're drowning financially. And it has nothing to do with your budget. And after that, if you want to go deeper, I've got a book I wrote for men, short booklet, field guide. It's called The Real Fight, and it walks you through the stronghold profile cards that expose this pattern and do it fast. All right, so hey, my name's Mike, and I train men to rebuild clarity, confidence, and stability by dismantling the lies that have been running their decisions for years. And my promise is simple, that every video that I bring you something, an actionable step that you can get a hold of and use actually today, right now. There's nothing to buy here, just truth that you can build with. So here's the problem. Most men are carrying financial pressure like a secret cancer. They think being strong means carrying it alone. And here's the truth. Provider panic turns every bill into a threat, even when you can afford to pay it. It's not about numbers, it's about identity. Does this sound a little different maybe than anything you've heard before? When provider panic hits, most men, I'm going to read a list here to you, most men don't share the burden, don't ask for clarity, don't slow down to evaluate systems, they don't rest, they don't track facts, don't admit fear, and don't trust their own decisions. They grind themselves into exhaustion, thinking rest is irresponsible. Sound familiar? Now here might be why that's not working for you, because panic is terrible at math. When scarcity drives your decisions, you overwork instead of thinking strategically. You become short with your wife. You say yes to too much work. You make reactive financial moves. You burn out your nervous system and call it providing. You're not building stability. You're building fragility. Now, there is a solution, and I've got 3 simple steps that I'm just going to jam right through here for you. Step number 1 is get the numbers out of your head and onto paper. There's a reason for that. Scarcity exaggerates. Facts diffuse everything. The second step is identify your origin scarcity story. Now, you might think you're special. You're not. For most men, it goes back to something like a parent losing a job, maybe a shut-off notice from a utility company or eviction notice, a bankruptcy, inconsistent, fluctuating income, childhood lack. Once you see the moment that this all began, when your nervous system started adopting scarcity, you stop obeying it blindly. Step number 3, name your minimum viable needs. This is pretty simple. Not goals, not dreams. What does your household actually require to function? This gives your brain a target instead of a threat. And I'm going to tell you why this works. Because provider panic, it just grows in the dark. Facts kill panic. Naming the story kills panic. And clarity kills panic. You stop reacting like a scared kid and start leading like the grounded man you were created to be. If you want a deeper breakdown on how to expose these patterns, The Real Fight walks you through the stronghold profile cards that will make your own scarcity tells jump off the page, because there's tells. And here's how these cards help you accelerate. They help you to see that how scarcity is actually speaking in your life, how it taxes you, how it started, how it lies, how to counter it with truth. It's the fastest way to take back authority over your financial life. And hey, I want to give you the book for free. Just comment and send it down below. If any of this stuff resonates with you, just drop a comment. I'll send it over, and you can get started today. Take care.